Welcome to Is MetaMask Institutional Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to MetaMask Institutional Wallet and related resources are in the description below. MetaMask Institutional, often referred to as MetaMask for Enterprises, is a tailored version of the popular MetaMask wallet designed specifically for institutional investors, asset managers, and financial institutions engaging with decentralized finance, DeFi. It offers enhanced security, compliance, and scalability features that cater to the needs of large organizations managing significant crypto assets. MetaMask Institutional integrates directly with Ethereum and other ERC20 tokens, providing institutions with the ability to securely access DeFi platforms, manage digital assets, and interact with smart contracts. One of the standout features is its multi-signature support, which ensures that transactions require multiple approvals from designated signatories within the organization before they are executed. This adds an extra layer of security, reducing the risk of unauthorized access and fraud. For compliance, MetaMask Institutional offers tools that enable regulatory adherence, including Know Your Customer (KYC) processes and anti-money laundering (AML) checks. These features ensure that institutions can comply with industry standards while interacting with decentralized networks. The wallet also includes advanced reporting features, helping institutions track their digital asset holdings and transactions with detailed audit trails, which are critical for corporate governance. MetaMask Institutional provides a secure enterprise-grade solution with institutional-grade custodianship options. It allows for hardware wallet integration, ensuring private keys are stored offline and away from potential online threats. Additionally, the wallet's infrastructure is built with scalability in mind, handling large transactions and asset management needs efficiently. In conclusion, MetaMask Institutional is a secure and reliable wallet designed specifically for institutional use. It provides top-tier security features like multi-signature support and hardware wallet integration, while also meeting compliance standards. If you're an institution looking to engage with DeFi and blockchain networks securely, MetaMask Institutional is a solid choice. Check the description below for links to download or learn more about MetaMask Institutional.